What is up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley, and welcome back to Kevin 82 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today, as you can see in the title, we're going to be installing the 3.8 performance grounding kit, dude. That's right, dude. So waiting a while for this to come in the mail. Finally came in the mail. Hit up my boy Christian. I know it's easy. I already read the instructions. There actually is, when you go to order yours, there is an actual instruction PDF or whatever that you could download real quick. The instructions are straightforward, but I'm gonna have my boy Christian, I call him Cousin Brother Christian, with his crazy 2.0 flame spitting ridiculous build or whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and move his car, move into the shade, pop the hood, and install this bad boy. So this is a visual reference for you guys, because I know they do have the instructions, but just to help you guys out and show you my process of what I'm doing to the car. So let's jump into it and get started. But yeah, so the kit's pretty basic or whatever. So there you have it. Damn. Yeah, good wiring, better wiring. Passenger side. Oh yeah, that's another thing that I'm probably gonna put on later is my freaking heat shielding or whatever for my engine. I took it off, whatever. So yeah.
Battery and then it goes here.
Yeah, that's luckily I had taken my box off or whatever.
Everything's like right here in this area.
Okay. You know, you want to remove the intake?
Yeah, we have to remove the intake.
Yeah. I actually have my air box. Since we're doing that, I might as well put the engine air box. I have it in my trunk because a friend of mine needed it or whatever. But yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. So the first thing I'm gonna do is obviously disconnect the battery from the negative side. So yeah, we got the intake off.
So it'll be like this. Okay. Easy right here. This is okay, long, short, okay, short. So the short one will go to there, and then the long one goes to here.
Okay.
And then the other long one will come right here, and then the other short one is right here.
Okay.
To either one of these three bolts right here.
Okay. So you guys saw the spots, but we're gonna go ahead and hook it up for you guys and you see how it's done. So the instructions, just a FYI, the instructions is a version 001. I believe it's the first version that Dustin had designed that actually had a box that would connect to the chassis. You would run the wires from the box, but this is the simplified 2.0 version for you guys that just connects everything like a spider web, or you know. Yeah. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, man. You want me to grab that? All right. What do you want me to do with it? Just to put that right there, just for reference. There we go. Yeah. It's always now with cars. Bam, first one's done. Probably gonna have to zip tie some stuff. We'll probably zip tie it to something like maybe this or something, yeah.
I'm trying to see something. It's gonna be stressed out.
All right, you guys, another reason why I brought this grounding kit to this guy. Yeah, it's easy, but I know he knows electrical and everything like that. So he was able to show me an issue with my specific grounding kit. Not all of them probably, hopefully, don't come like this, but just this O-ring right here. See how big it is compared to the actual other ones. The other ones, if I can use that as a reference point, actually small, and it's supposed to look like that. But if we were to keep this O-ring, it's no possible way it's gonna be able to, like, just look at the size of this compared to that. So that's no bueno. So you're not gonna get a good ground on it if you try to use this O-ring. So he's gonna replace the O-ring for me. So let me show you real quick. This is the setup right here. So this right here is gonna connect to the battery. Bam. There's the main one. Bam. And then it spider webs into some series of 2 longs and 2 shorts. One of the longs right here is gonna run over here to this side, driver's side right here, right by the fuse box. Then we're gonna come around here, and I believe this one is another long that's gonna come around here to the front of the engine right here. And then number 3 is gonna come down here below the freaking intake. I'm gonna install my box before we do the final. I'm gonna reinstall this right here, the heat shielding. And then the 4th one is gonna come up here on top of the actual manifold and everything like that. And that's the one we're trying to fix the O-ring on. So yeah, that one's better, way better. So we'll get that one hooked up and continue it. So I got it stripped. Is that a crimping tool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's got it too.
That thing's nice, dude. Still got all the nice tools. Look at this guy. Jesus Christ. So yeah, get it done right. There we go. Bam. So we're gonna hook it all up and get the wires tucked in the right way. Try to install this at the same time, and we'll give you an update on the progress. But most likely it will probably be a short video for you guys, just to kind of show you. Bam. This is to show you where they go. Bam, bam, and bam. All right, cool.
Get that flamethrower, that.
Yeah. All right, so as I showed you in the last clip, now everything's all done and zip tied or whatever. So I'm gonna show you this one right here, zip tied along the harness underneath the intake. Get around tripping over tools, my bad. Yeah, so underneath the intake, zip tie right there, zip tied right there. Then to the battery, the main one right there. One of them is down there between the right here where the box is at. That's one of the grounds like I showed you before. Then we come around to this side, zip tied all along right there, bam. So it's nice and clean. We're all done. Woo-wee. So I will be doing a review on this soon. I'm actually running late. I was supposed to be meeting a friend for drinks to hang out like 30 minutes ago, so I gotta head to that. But car things first, right? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was informative. All right, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was informative. Like I said, just another small piece to the Genesis Coupe puzzle, something to help you guys out and just show you. It's mainly for me just to show you guys another piece of the Batmobile, that something that I did, you know. So I know that other people have already done this before and I'm late to the party, but you know, I just filmed the progress of the car and then I put all this in a playlist for you guys to check out, and then people that are new to the channel, they can check out all these videos. So just give them reference points for every single mod, or pretty much almost every single mod on the car. Like I said, I got to get up out of here. Supposed to be meeting a friend like over 30 minutes ago. I have to apologize to this guy, but yeah, wrap my day up. And make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell, comment down below, and of course make sure you keep those watch times up. You guys got to watch the entire video to the end. So if you're watching this outro right now, comment down below outro gang. And eventually I'm gonna start doing giveaways and possibly raffles and whatnot for the outro gang. So if you guys actually watch the entire video, start quizzing people and doing giveaways and awesome stuff like that, just to make sure you guys, you know, do your part with the channel, help us grow. And of course, special thanks to my boy Christian, aka Carbon Fiber Christian, dude. Put his Instagram down below, give this man a follow. Awesome things coming for his car also. more stuff from my car. We're gonna keep the content coming for you guys. So just remember, as I say in all my videos, always see the glasses half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend. Peace.